Hello, it's Jill Pinoy. This is Jill again. I'm back with my crafts. It's the time of the year, graduation time. So let's make a lei. This time I'm gonna be making a money lei. Okay, so this is the type of lei that I'm gonna be making, and then after that we'll be putting the ribbons and the dollar bills on it. Okay, so what I'm gonna be using is this type of material. Okay, this type is I'm gonna be making the, I think, double braided lei. So I'll link down below what is the actual sizes of the ribbon that I'm using to make the lei. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to begin this type of lei. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, this is the beginning part of how to make the lei. First you have to grab your first set of ribbon. So this is gonna go inside here, and it looks like this, and that's the front. That's how the front look like. Okay, since we got that inserted, we're gonna grab this right here, and this will go underneath the blue. This is a school color that I'm gonna be making this time. It's kind of hard, the first or the beginning part of it. Okay, so now we inserted that. You have to make sure your fingers are there to protect it. Some people, they use clip. I recommend for you to use clip so it will hold it for you, or you have a help to hold the ribbon. Then after you insert the gold color, here comes your blue, and then all you have to do is insert it inside. Okay, then you pull it to kind of like, not totally pull it, just slightly pull it so you can secure it. Okay, and then another, until I think you get to at least 3 or 4 times. That's 2, 3. Okay, that's pretty good already, because you have to grab the other set of this, because we're doing double. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the finished product on the other one. We'll be right back. Don't mind the background. So okay guys, these are the 2 leis that are done. So we're gonna do a double lei. We're gonna put them together now. So we're gonna put that blue together in there. So this, you notice I have 4 strands in there. You can get confused easily, but just follow your pattern and it's gonna be okay. So now I have the blue. Okay, so you put that together, and then let's see, yeah, it's blue. Okay, so what I do is grab this gold, this goes down, and then it will be inserted on the left blue. Okay, and then after that, when you insert that blue right there, that gold in there, now you're gonna grab your other gold in there. See that other gold to go inside the other blue. Okay, so gold, blue. Okay, so now we grab the blue, the bottom, and it goes here. That. Okay, now we got that in. We grab this one. This goes in. Pull that. It looks kind of funky right now, but after a while it's gonna get together and you'll see that nice result. So now underneath that one, pull it. Okay, this one goes here. Pull it underneath. Get this one. You pull it. This goes here. Okay, underneath. Where does this go? Right here. This, where does it go? Right here. This one, where does it go? Right here. So that's just a simple step until you get the right length that you want to have for the lay, or it depends on the person's height too. Okay, this one goes here. Pull it, not too tight, just enough to hold it or to secure it. This one goes here. This is going to be a long way, guys, so this one goes here. Okay, and then this one later on we're gonna undo this part because it's not connected together. This is gonna be our tail end. Yeah, so right now that's what we have. So underneath this guy, we pull it. These guys go here, then we pull it underneath. These guys go here, and this guy go here. See how this pattern is doing? And this is how it looks like in the back. Pretty cool, huh? So you can either use this part of the lei or this part. It depends which part of the lei you want to use, because it's either or. I mean, either side of this lace looks pretty good. So I'm gonna finish this and I'll just show you guys what I did. And this is the other one that I finished. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more until you guys can get used to it, and I might do a fast forward on finishing it up. Okay, so this one goes here, this one goes here. Pull it, secure it a little bit. This goes here, this goes here, this goes here, and this goes around the side. Okay, so I'm gonna finish it up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here we go. This is the length that we wanted is done. So this is the finished product. And then remember what I told you guys about the two lace that we put together. So I just undo the part, the end part, until I reach to that point. So right now this is where we at. Okay, so later on we're gonna put like a ribbon right here in here, and the next step that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making the dollar like the regular folding way. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. Okay, start folding. you just keep on folding until you get to the end. I actually asked the bank clerk to give me the brand new dollar bill so it will come out nicer. So I have 40 in here. I'm making 2 lays. On each lay I'm gonna be putting $20 each. Okay, and what we do is just tape them, fold it, then we tape them on each end. Okay, let me go with my tape. I'll be right. So here's our tape. We're gonna get rid of this part. Go ahead and tape them. We don't need much to tape them. So we're gonna go to the end and we tape them. So you know, the graduate, if they wanna undo this, it's easy, so they can use the money. It's a lot of times they don't undo it because they wanna keep it as is. So there we go. We put the tape just like so, and then we kind of like fix it where the crisp are. So there we have it. We made the first one. Okay, and then later I'm gonna line them up like this. Then I'm gonna put some kind of ribbon around it to kind of like make some kind of effect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're done with the money. So now it's time to make the ribbon so we can assemble. Okay, so now we're gonna make the figure 8 ribbon, and we're gonna start burst them. Okay, so we're gonna start from here. Normally make up to 13 figure 8 loops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the 12. That's 13. We trim it off. And then we're gonna cut a piece of this to tie it, not that much, and then we cut it in half. Let's go back to this one. That's 13 loop. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and gather them together. Okay, and then see that number 8. We're gonna cut each end, not end but sides. So that's not all the way through, just a slight bit of it, so we can use this guy to go right in the center. See how it secures everything? And then we tie it twice. Okay, it looks kind of funky right now, but now here's how we make this into a regular ribbon. So we grab from one underneath, both bottom and up, and then the left side bottom and up, then we twist it. Okay, so same procedure from the bottom and up, and we twist bottom and up, and we twist. See how it forms? So now this is how this guy look like. We're gonna starburst them. So what we're gonna do is cut all of them. Okay, that's how it looks like. Now we're gonna make the effect now. So just randomly cut it slant like a starburst. It's like a fireworks. So we're gonna make 20 of this to use for our dollar bills, the flower that we made. Okay, just randomly cut them into this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make white and blue. Do we have any more? So that's how it looks. Starburst. I call this starburst. Okay, and then we have this extra one right here. See this? And we're gonna grab one of the dollar bill. And we do that. And we loop the other one through if we could find it. There's the other one. Okay. So we go through the dollar bill. It's so hard if I don't have my glasses on, I can't see. Okay, so it went through. So now, once we put all these 20 of them together, we're gonna put it like this, all 20 of them. And I'm gonna put like white ribbon in between the dollar bill. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, and we'll be right back. There you have it, guys. This is our final product. This is our money lei. We have the actual color for the school is buff and blue. It's for Punahou School. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.